Imagine this, it's the 4th of July, but you're not in the United States. You're in the heart of Denmark. All around you, Danish families and friends gather in the beautiful countryside, waving American flags with big smiles on their faces. The air is filled with excitement, laughter, and the delicious smell of barbecue. Fireworks light up the evening sky, and you can hear both Danish and American music playing in the background. But why do Danes celebrate America's Independence Day? It's not just about the fireworks or the food. For many Danes, the 4th of July is a special day to honor the long-standing friendship between Denmark and the United States. It's a celebration of freedom, unity, and the shared values that connect these two countries. So, next time you see a 4th of July party in Denmark, remember, it's all about celebrating togetherness and international friendship. If you're curious about more surprising Danish traditions and stories, make sure to hit follow for more Denmark Explained.